Now I'm going to tell you why it's fun to plant trees. First of all, I think it's fun to plant trees because you get the final result at the end. After a long time of waiting and taking care of your tree or plant, you get the final product. Like sometimes if you grow food, you can get fruits, veggies, and also with other things you can get flowers. But you do have to wait a while for that. So a few things that can make it more fun is to think about that you get to be outside with all the nature. And to me, I really like when there's birds and so many cool creatures that you can find in your backyard. The next thing why I think it's really fun to plant trees is because the process is really fun. When you plant a tree, you get really excited and you don't know what it's going to be like. And then in the middle, while you're waiting, you can see the tiny little sprouts that come out, and it keeps on making more progress. And at the end, you're really proud of yourself that you finally made a tree that actually grew. This is our lychee tree. This one is also 5 years old. As you can see, it's not very tall, and it's still in a pot. Lychee trees take quite a long time, but if you be very patient, take good care of your plant, and you check on it every often, then it probably will grow eventually. Whether it's about 7 to 8 years, they eventually will get fruit. This one has not gotten one fruit yet, but they're coming. This cherry tree, in spring, it usually produces only one cherry a whole year. I think we've had this one for about 2 years or so. Oops, I just noticed that tree is actually about 5 years, not 2. These are some acorns that I planted. I don't think some of them have sprouted, like if you can, that one. This little thing is a sprout, and where is it? And that little thing is a sprout. So they're very, very tiny because we kind of just experimented with these, and they didn't really grow, but they are slowly growing. Like this one, that one's growing. They all are very slowly growing. So, as you can see, it does take a very long time to grow things, but eventually they will come. So you just have to be a little bit patient.